babes, I'm Alice and I'm gonna show you how to create an easy neon look for Halloween. For this reason, I've glued on my brows and put on some cool lenses. Now I'm gonna start with the Mehron colored brown pencil sketching the skull. One tip is that I always like to follow the natural shape of my bones of the face so that the design fits better. Even trying to draw the teeth in the same place and following drawing the jaw, throat and small clavicles. I always prefer to use brown color for sketching instead of black because then it's more easy to cover with paint. Now I'll use the Mehron UV palette. This kind of palette is water activated, so you will only need a brush and water. In the first part of the face, I will use warm colors, mixing yellows, oranges, pinks, reds, and blending it with a dry brush carefully to make a soft transition between the colors. Now for the teeth and jaw part, I will use cold colors like green, blue and purple. Carefully applying it in the teeth too, but combining it with warmer colors as we approach the last teeth. As you see for the eyes, I will not make the whole circles, just half of it to create a different effect. Then I paint the nose, throat and clavicles, playing with the same color combination, and don't forget to blend all that colors. Then I will use Paradise Paint in black to start covering the empty parts that I want to make more deep and defined, like the jaw gap, teeth lines, blending it carefully, ears, and one thing that I love to do for this kind of skull is to delimit or shape of the head, creating a line on our forehead. Then I paint the nose and teeth lines, blending it carefully. For the eyes I make a line to blend it, and with the same product I make a smoky eye, but not covering the whole area. Then with the help of our Mehron black cowl, I will paint my waterline too. And finally I paint my whole neck and chest. Now with the white Paradise paint I'm going to make a thin line at the center of our color transition, making the classic neon effect and creating a soft light volume in the area of the teeth. Then with the white color of our neon palette that is not white, it's translucent, I'll make some highlights that is going to be shown under the UV lights, applying it on some parts of the face, neck and clavicles. And here we have our final look. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy it, and I can't wait to see your recreations. Happy Halloween!